6 mind-blowing facts about the human body you won't believe. After watching this, you'll never look at your body the same way again. You lose billions of cells every day. So where do they go? Every single day, your body loses around 50 billion cells. Yep, even as you're watching this video, millions of your cells are silently dying. But don't worry, you're not falling apart. Your body is constantly creating new cells to replace the old ones, like a never-ending construction project. Now, here's the wild part. A lot of those dead cells, especially from your skin, become part of the dust around you. In fact, a good portion of the dust in your home is actually made of your own dead skin cells. Creepy? A little. Fascinating? Absolutely. Stomach acid is strong enough to dissolve metal. So why doesn't it eat your stomach? Your stomach produces hydrochloric acid, which is so powerful it can dissolve razor blades in lab conditions. But don't try that at home. Seriously. So why doesn't this acid destroy your stomach from the inside out? The answer is a thick, protective layer of mucus lining your stomach walls. This barrier keeps the acid in check, but when it gets weakened, that's when issues like ulcers can occur. Basically, your stomach is like a chemical volcano that's constantly erupting but never destroying itself. Thanks to smart biological engineering, cracking your knuckles doesn't hurt you. Here's what's actually happening. You've probably heard it your whole life. Stop cracking your knuckles, you'll ruin your joints. But science says otherwise. The popping sound isn't from bones grinding or joints snapping. It comes from gas bubbles forming and collapsing in the fluid around your joints. So no, it's not dangerous or damaging. At least not in moderation. Still, it might annoy the people around you more than it annoys your bones. The DNA in your body could stretch billions of miles. Get this. Every cell in your body contains around 2 meters of DNA. Multiply that by the trillions of cells in your body, and if you lined up all your DNA end to end, it would stretch about 2 billion kilometers. That's enough to go to Pluto and back, and still have distance left to spare. So you're not just carrying genetic information, you're carrying interplanetary level data storage inside you right now. Wild, right? Half of you isn't you at all. Only about 50% of the cells in your body are actually human. The rest, trillions of bacteria, fungi, and other microbes that live in and on you, especially in your gut. Together, this ecosystem is called your microbiome, and it's essential to your health. It helps you digest food, regulate your immune system, and even affect your mood. So yeah, you're basically a walking, talking planet, with a population you didn't even know about. Your heart has a mind of its own. Here's something really cool. Your heart doesn't need your brain to keep beating. Inside your heart is something called the sinoatrial node, a bundle of cells that generates electrical impulses on its own. That's why even if the heart is removed from the body, like during surgery, it can continue beating for a short time. It's like your heart has its own built-in battery, quietly powering your life every second. The human body is way more complex and bizarre than we often realize. These 6 facts are just the tip of the iceberg. So, which one blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Because here, curiosity meets entertainment.